as you can see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of the goodies, or most of the goodies I should say, that I got for my birthday. Not following me on Instagram, I will have my handle down here. Make sure you guys are following me because I am more active there on the daily, but you may have not seen that it was recently my birthday, October 20th to be exact. So shout out to all my Libra babies that are celebrating this month, but my birthday just passed, and of course my family and friends went out of their way and they were super generous enough to buy me some gifts. So last year, and I think the year before that, I actually did a quick roundup of like all the things I got for my birthday, but on my blog. If you're not following me there, you can check out my blog post that I did most recently. It was my birthday wish list, so the things I wanted for my birthday or had on my, massive wish list. You guys can see a sneak peek there, but today I will be sharing with you guys the things that I got. Before we get started, I do just want to throw out the disclaimer that, if this upsets you in any way, the amount of gifts or like the price or value of gifts or whatever, you can totally skip this video, and I have plenty of other hauls, reviews, vlogs and stuff like that on my channel that you can definitely check out. I am not trying to show what I got in a way to be rude or to boast or anything like that. I did have one or two people ask if I was going to be sharing, because I normally do, like I said, and I just wanted to share with you guys in case you guys have birthdays coming up and want to add things to your wish list, or you guys have birthdays for other people you want to celebrate. If you need good birthday ideas, I definitely want this to be entertaining or at least somewhat resourceful for all of you. The last thing I want to mention is I have a couple of gifts that I'm not going to be showing in this video. Two in particular, I'm actually going to be doing a separate video. It will be like a formal unboxing, since it is going to be a little bit more of a pricier and designer item. And then other things I just have not gotten in yet, but I will talk about that in a second. Let's go ahead and get started. So like I mentioned, I'm not going to be showing all the stuff. There's a couple of things I don't have with me. Two items I will actually be unboxing in a separate video. Those were gifts from my husband that I want to share with you all. I can give more detail in that video. But there are two things that I did order for my birthday with a gift card that I received, but the package has not arrived yet. So the legal assistant at my job actually gave me a Sephora gift card, which I truly appreciate. She knows I love Sephora and makeup and beauty and stuff like that. And there were two things that I wanted on my wish list. The first one is from NARS. It is this guy right here. It is the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. I've heard nothing but amazing things from so many people. If you read my wish list blog post, you would know that I love the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. So when they came out with like a foundation version of that, I definitely wanted to try it out and see if it's as good as the concealer, or if it's better, if I need it in my life, or if I totally skip past it. So that is on its way. And then the other thing I picked up is this guy right here. It is the Hermes perfume set, or parfum set, I should say. It comes with like 4 of the little kits of the full-size perfumes. I've been hearing really good things about Hermes's perfume series, and for some reason I've been in this like rut where I have not bought any new like colognes or fragrances or anything like that, and I've heard nothing but good things about the Twilly one, but I wasn't really sure. So I decided to buy that little set. It comes with a really cute orange Hermes box as well. I want to try out the little fragrances before I make the commitment to buy like the big purchase. Those are the 2 little beauty products that I got from Sephora. All right, moving on to these next 2 products. I actually shouldn't say that those were the only beauty products I got, because I did get 2 other beauty products. Next guy here is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and I have been wanting to try this guy forever. I was talking to my mom about it, because this is actually from my mom. I was talking to my mom about it because when the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty happened, I completely missed out on this guy. This is a pretty pricey item. I think this is like $64, but you can see how big this is here. And it actually comes a little, what is this, a scoop or something? Comes with a little like cloth here as well. So I was talking to my mom about how I really wanted to try this out. Like, collagen is supposed to really help with like anti-aging and just making sure your skin is nice and has really good elasticity. So I was talking to her about it, how I missed out on it. And then for Prime Day on Amazon, this was on sale and I meant to buy it, but same thing. It just like, I completely spaced. The day passed and I didn't pick it up, but she took that hint and picked this up for me. So my beautiful mom went ahead and got that item for me. And my parents actually did also put a little bit of money towards another item that I'm gonna be showing you guys in that separate unboxing video. But she also gave me that for like the day of my actual birthday. All right, next up we have a Gucci purchase, and before we all get like crazy hella excited, this is not like a bag. It's not anything super crazy expensive. I mean, it is a little pricey for what it is, but it's not something major. So beautiful little Gucci bag. And I did also want to mention to you guys that if you're gonna buy anything that's in this category from Gucci, buy it from the website, because you get the like bag, you get a nice little card. This also comes in a beautiful little dust bag. And I mean, all of this is just like super cute for presentation purposes, or at least for me, I really like the whole presentation of this. And this is actually from my brother. This was straight from my wish list. So he picked up the Gucci bronzing powder, the Poudre de Beauty Eclat Soleil. This is the bronzer in shade number 3. It comes in this really beautiful, soft, like velvety pouch, and then you take it out and it has beautiful turquoise packaging, and then everything else is gold around it. It almost looks kind of vintagey, of like those vintage powders that they would use. Really beautiful packaging, and this is really nice because once you're done with the bronzer, you can definitely just like take the bronzer piece out and just keep this as a little compact. So we open it up and it does have a mirror on the inside, and then here is the powder. Like I said, I am in shade number 3. It's not crazy dark on my skin, but it's also not super light. I wanted this exactly for what it's for, just to bronze the face, the parameters of my face, when my face tends to be a little bit lighter than my body. So I thought that this shade was perfect just to bronze and get a nice little hint of color without it being too dark. And if you open up the bottom underneath it, it does come with a little brush here, but you have a nice little space here. You could put something else like tissues, I don't know, band-aids, I don't know. It's just super, super cute, really luxe packaging. I heard really good things about this bronzing powder, so I wanted to try it out. And then just having it from Gucci and like the really nice packaging, it just like kind of made it feel even more special, you know? So this next item is 2 things, and I'm actually wearing one of them. These are from my other bestie, Claudia. She's actually a fellow blogger, and she was going to an event with this company, and she asked me to tag along, and then she picked up these as a birthday present to me. So these are both from Kendra Scott, and the first item, like I said, is this beautiful necklace, like chunky chain that I'm wearing. It hooks right here with like a little clasp in that little circle thing. It reminds me so much of Tiffany's collection, but for some reason I'm liking this one a little bit more. Something about the like color of the silver, or like maybe the chunkiness of the chain, or how far it like drops. It's not so much of a choker. I saw this when we went to the store and I loved it. Like I was just telling her, I was so obsessed with it. So I'm just so happy that she was able to get this for me. It's just so perfect. This is sterling silver, and it does have little crystals on it here. It is so beautiful, and I think this is actually a new arrival, not mistaken. Like I said, I saw it and I was like obsessed with it. And the other thing that she also picked up is also from Kendra Scott. And I have worn these already. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw me wear them actually on my birthday. But it's this beautiful pair of earrings. So they are like more elongated hoops, and they have a really nice pearl at the bottom. It's like a vintagey white gold kind of color, so it's not super gold, but it's also not silver in tone. It's just a really nice vintage gold. Not sure if this is a new arrival for Kendra Scott or not, but I did see it on the website, and then I saw it in the store while we were there, and I literally could not decide between this and this, so she so graciously got both for me, and I love them. I'm just really baffled by the quality of this jewelry. It comes with like really nice pouches. I'll definitely be picking up more pieces, but yeah, these are just gorgeous. I'm obsessed with them. So we have a couple more things from my other best friend. I have like 3 best friends if you guys didn't catch on, but she knows me so well. She got me a couple of things for the house, and she also did get me a gift card. So she got first this really beautiful little frame. It says Coffee Strong Lashes Long Hustle on. I love this, especially now that I have my like beauty studio slash like closet room. I can put like really cute things like this. I have another frame that she gave me when we moved into our old apartment that I just love so much that I kept, but I have not put anything up because I'm still waiting for my IKEA wall to come in. So this is perfect in my room. I love the saying. It's so true. She just knows me so well. So I love this little guy, and it's not too big, so I could put it really anywhere. I said she did get me a gift card. She got me a Nordstrom gift card. And again, she just knows me so well. She knows how frequently I shop at Nordstrom, so might as well feed the addiction and get me a little bit more from there. And then she also picked up this 12 holiday travel cups. I've been telling her that I've been really wanting to try to make more coffee at home, because on the daily I buy like a cup of coffee and a croissant or something. And I've been really trying to focus on using my Keurig and stuff at home. So she got me this travel cup set, which are so cute. They come with little warmers and like lids here. And I'm not sure if these are like washable or recyclable. Either way, this is really gonna help me just make my coffee at home. And then they actually say 'tis the season to be basic, because I'm a basic bee. What can I say? All right, and then the last thing I'm gonna share with you guys in this video is actually a gift from me to me. I know it's so extra, but I really, really wanted this, and this was actually very hard to track down, but I'm so happy I got it. This is from Chanel. If you saw my wish list, you saw this item. At the beginning of October, I had called like my Chanel essay that I had shopped at before. I stopped at the Nordstrom Chanel here, called customer service. Every place was sold out. I even like texted one of my friends if she can get her essay, because she lives in a different state, to see if they had this item. Everything was sold out. This item is like super, super popular. I knew if I purchased it from like a non-retailer, like a second party, it was probably gonna be more expensive. There was this one boutique that I follow on Instagram. I love all of her stuff. Sometimes I'm like, oh my God, these prices. Like, I was actually shocked at how people were like gouging the prices on there. So this particular boutique, I insert a screenshot here, they were actually charging like $400 over what this cost in store. But that's the price you pay because it was a popular item. So I actually was looking on like one of the Facebook groups that I'm a part of. It's like a luxury Facebook group, and somebody posted on there about this ring. So I DM'd her, and then she sent me the information from this person that was in a different group, and the price was a little bit more than what I would have paid if I had bought it in store. But like I said, every Chanel person I had talked to said it was completely sold out, and they weren't sure if they were going to get restocks, and if they were, there was like a really long wait list on this item. So I DM'd the person. The price wasn't as outrageous as some of these other like third-party retailers were doing, so I decided to pull the trigger. So let me show you what I got. It comes in this beautiful Chanel packaging. And I have already seen this, to be honest. I have already opened it because I wanted to be sure, one, that it fit, that it was like a legit item, and I wasn't getting like scammed or anything. So it did come with the original camellia and the wrapping on it. Full Chanel box is the like tag on it, and then the little Chanel care booklet is there. Let's open this up. Are you ready? Woo! I'm so happy. So it is this gorgeous, and I will do a close-up of it so you guys can see as well. It is this gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous gold and crystal Chanel ring. So it does say Chanel on it. It has crystals at the bottom, crystals at the top. I am so obsessed with this, you guys. So the reason I wanted this really bad is because for quite some time I wanted a ring that's like a very kind of classic, that I could wear with a lot of things, that doesn't really like age in the sense of like it's trendy now and then it'll be out of trend for a little bit. I feel like a lot of the rings I have are like smaller, daintier pieces, and I wanted something that was like a little bit thicker, a little bit chunkier, that kind of was like a pop, but like I said, wasn't going to be something that was too crazy out there. I also wanted a ring that I was able to wear for some reason on my index finger. I don't know why. I saw a picture of this ring on the index finger, and since then I've been like wanting it on that finger, and I just couldn't find the right ring until I found this one. So I saw this picture and I'm obsessed with it. Like, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted this ring for my index finger here. I can also wear it on this side right here, and it's just so beautiful. Like, you could see that it's like something extra, but it's not like so common. And like I said, this ring is like insanely popular. It's from this season's collection. It sold out instantly and I couldn't get my hands on it anywhere. The price I paid wasn't as ridiculous. I think in store you're paying $400 or something like that for this ring, because after tax I think it was like $400. But yeah, that boutique was charging like $725, $750 for this ring, which is like crazy expensive considering that this is $375 in store, $400 after taxes. I will leave the price down below that I paid for this ring. It definitely is a little bit more than what it is in store, but it's the exact size I wanted. Came with the original box, came with the receipt and everything from the boutique. And I just feel like this is a piece that I can use for years and years and years to come. And I just love it. I'm so obsessed with it. I cannot wait to wear it, and I'm just so ecstatic that I actually have it. All right guys, so that is it for today's video. Like I said, I will have a separate video doing an unboxing of 2 other things, so be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss out on that video and any future videos that I do put out. I also do want to say a very big thank you to all of you guys that follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, any other place, Facebook, that took time to wish me a birthday. You sent me a DM, or you sent me an email, or you sent me like a story just wishing me a happy birthday. I truly appreciate that. The fact that you guys take time, even like 3 seconds, 3 minutes out of your day to think about me is just already incredible for me. I know we're all super busy, but you guys took time to wish me a happy birthday. It really means so much to me. I also will have anything that I can find linked down below for you guys in case anything caught your eye. Feel free to ask me any questions. If you guys want an in-depth review or anything like that, just go ahead and let me know. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram, all that stuff is also going to be linked down below for you guys, as well as coupon codes to help you save some money. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe. Happy birthday to all my Libra babies, and I will see you all in my next video.